Okay, so let's take a look at the potential offer buying formula for a house, like an ugly house that you might want to flip, or you found one and now you're like, how much should I pay for this house? So obviously always you want to make sure that you're buying it right. That's number one. You have to buy it right. So always calculate the improvement costs that you will incur during the house. But first, base the number on what can you indefinitely sell the house for. So let's say you could definitely sell this house for 1.2 million. Okay, great. I can sell it for 1.2 million. I'm going to calculate the cost of borrowing the money, closing costs, realtor fees. I'm going to calculate my construction and labor cost, and then based on that I'm going to decide what I'm going to put in as an offer. So let's say you could sell the house for 1.2 million, or the house could be sold for 1.4 million, except we're gonna base it on the lower number, and anything over that number is gonna be a bonus. Okay, so you say to yourself, okay, so if I buy this house for 500,000, if I put in $250,000 in renovations, to let's say the project is going to take me about 7 months to do, I will pay about $10,000 a month between closing fees and money fees and hard money fees and lender fees and all these things, which will cost me about another 65,000. Then the agent commission will cost me about another 60 grand when I go to sell this place. And so the total that I will be all in on this project will be 875,000. I'll take that $1.2 million sale price minus 875,000, and then basically what I'm going to end up with is I will have myself a nice $325,000 to $500,000 profit. Now, you could do that all day long. That seems like it would make sense to me. So, yeah, I would basically put in an offer and I would make my offer 500 grand.